everyone. Today we're going to talk about AI content writing with specific focus on Jasper and some of its competitors. So let's begin. What does Jasper's AI content tool offer? First thing to note is that the brand has changed its name quite a few times, so you may have known it as Jarvis or any other name that it had before. So just do your research to know if it's the same tool you've been talking about. What does Jasper do and how does it work? How their AI-powered tool works is it reads 10% of the internet. So for example, if you're talking about yoga, it reads 10% of the internet and then forms articles based on it. So the older the content and the article, the better informed the AI is and the more impactful that it can do. And it's also trained by expert marketers to write emotional copy. This is something that I've seen across all the AI tools, but is well trained within Jasper. You can also pick the tone of voice you need. Again, a feature not just focused on Jasper, it is a feature offered by every single AI generated tool. If you want professional copy, witty copy on a tone of, say, X person, you can have that. Jasper boosts their content to be original, plagiarism-free, and optimized for SEO. They also have free courses online to help you understand how to write the copy with Jasper, so it's easy for you to use. So usability is very easy with Jasper, as they're giving you all of these offers and links to be able to understand how to use the platform. In terms of time frame, it literally takes 2 minutes to generate really great examples. Say, for example, if you want to generate product descriptions, you add in just 2 lines about what you need and your content is generated for you. It's available in more than 25 languages. Again, this is not a feature specific to Jasper. Other competitors also offer this. What kind of content does Jasper write? They're more focused on blog writing, emails, stories, product descriptions, video titles, Google Ads, and some more. From what I have realized from most of the reviews, people are using Jasper for blog writing a lot. Next, the more detail you give, the more detailed the AI will be. This is just a benchmark for any content writing tool. The more information you're able to deliver, the more you will get out of it. In terms of pricing, Jasper offers you 10,000 words for free. The more words you go for, the higher the payment becomes. So X amount of words, X amount of payments is higher. The most common usage for Jasper is blog tier 2 content writing, so not super niche. It's for writing blog content for SEO optimized websites, for freelancers and bloggers. They are based on GPT-3, which gives great human quality content. It also has the ability to generate FAQs. And of course, they boost themselves as say goodbye to writer's blog, because you can literally type in 2 sentences and get what the content is for. So who is typically Jasper for? It's for freelancers. It's for people who want to churn quality content over quantity, because some of the other AI content writing tools out there are more driven on quantity versus quality, and someone who has a higher budget to leverage and wants a safer bet to know that this is a good tool. It's been in the market for a while, so definitely it will be something that works for you. Now, what are some of the cons? Quick one to note, some of the cons here are not specific to Jasper, as it's relating to AI tools in general. It's just clubbed in here for your knowledge and expertise. The first one is it is one of the most expensive tools out there. So definitely you're shelling a bit more in your pocket, but you're getting quality versus quantity. So if that's what you're looking for, then go for Jasper. Not really great for super intellectual, insightful articles. If you want to really deep dive into a certain topic and have unique ideas and unique information, since it's scanning the internet on what's already been there, you will not be able to get this. So this is not limited to Jasper. It's limited to mainly any AI tool out there. Again, I personally believe that AI tools will not be the source of truth. They're not fact-based articles. They'll be based on what's popularity in terms of trending in the internet. For example, they say that yoga has 7 limbs. And then there is also 2% of the articles that they say that there are more limbs. So for example, since AI will scan what's most popular, you will see your article having that same quality versus whether it being factual based or source of truth or not. So it's something for you to note. So you will definitely need to go back into your article and edit certain aspects. So it's not going to be foolproof and that's it, done and sent out. You need to spend some time revisiting the article. Fourth point, again, balance, but also AI tools out there. If it's a new trending topic, you will need to write better to generate yourself. For example, if there is a topic that's trending suddenly, I don't know, a breakup of some famous celebrity, if there's not yet articles written on it and you want to be the first one, then AI will not be able to generate really good copy for that. Fifth, not sure about this one. It could be a super big con. The example that I've given here is Russia versus Ukraine war. Based on where you are, in which country you are, people are supporting Russia versus Ukraine. So if you're writing any articles around there, it will be very interesting to see how AI forms those articles. Six, specific to Jasper, I don't see any 24 hours support. So in case that's what you're looking for, they have a 24 hours getting back to a ticket, but not an online 24 hours available support. Also, another con that I've seen, that it is possible for Google to detect and flag that content is AI generated, and maybe they will not rank you on top. So worth doing your research on that. They will not always be factually correct. Human intervention is needed, as I've just talked about briefly. Some reviews that people have shared is that the mobile UX UI is not great. So usability in mobile is not that great. I'm sure they will work on this and fix this. The rephrase tool is not that great as well. So they're working to implement that. And if you're someone that's looking to make ebooks or really long blog posts or essays, then you need to go for the boss mode plan, which is slightly more on the expensive end, which is here, which is that's $100 a month. So that's what the plan is talking about. And you get about 100K words in it. And if the words increase, your plan increases. What are their USPs? They say they create original content that ranks high on SEO, boost ad conversions with better copy. They finish your draft 10x faster. This 100% can be made sure of. And writer's block with ideas from a robot, break through the language barriers because they can write in more than 25 languages, and scale up content marketing fast. So that's kind of the overall of Jasper. If you would like to start with their starter plan, that's what I would suggest. If you're someone that's not sure, they have a 5-day, 100% money back guarantee. So this is something you can test out with one of your blogs within these other competitors as well, and then see what fits for you and what fits for your business needs. Now we're going to look at some of the competitors to Jasper. First one being Writer. This comes up quite high in the competitor list, and the biggest advantage that it has, it's 1/3 the cost of Jasper. They also boost and offer a free plan, so this could be really good if you're someone who wants to test that on budgeting. Secondly, it's really great for someone who has a broad scope of work, which Writer offers. So they're also helping you write business idea pitches, job descriptions, writing your cover letter for you, your resume for you, song lyrics, and even a cooking recipe generator. And you can also use this tool to create your own user case, which is here. You write your own user case, and then the AI will generate it for you here in this column. So I love that about it. So if you're someone who needs super niche kind of thing, you go for Jasper. But if you're someone who needs really a broad variety of things, this could be the tool for you. They also have a built-in plagiarism tool, so that's really great. It will already tell you when you're highlighted over it whether it's plagiarism or not. One of the cons for it is the content writing is better on Jasper in terms of quality. So again, if you're looking for quality, Jasper is probably the best. And if you're looking for long form articles, again, Jasper is a better one than Writer as per the reviews and content that I have seen so far. Moving on to the next plan is Wordplay AI. Their AI is very niche and it's focused on long form content writing. So it's mainly on article writing, blog posts, essays, and so on and so forth. This is definitely a more newer site. So based on that, the AI may have not read the website very well. So the quality of the content could be slightly lower. So this is just for you to know. It also has an option to see how much % of your content has plagiarism. So again, this is a good one because we don't want any content to be plagiarism. They have a WordPress plugin. So if you have an essay and if you want to write bulk essays, they can easily transfer it to WordPress plugin. And then someone within your team just needs to do a quick review and check on things that you want to remove, edit, and then press hit on your website. The pricing isn't cheap for this one, especially when they only boost to be super niche. So if you're someone who wants a cost-effective plan, again, Jasper is a better one. If you want just super specific essays, you could try out their 14-day money-back guarantee to see the quality of content. But otherwise, I would still suggest you to go for Jasper. This tool is useful for someone who's a freelancer, small space, or a blog post creator. The next one is copy.ai. Again, this is a more newer website. It has very low pricing, so it's very cost effective, and it has a free plan with 2,000 words a month. So again, it's really good to test all of these competitors versus Jasper, see what kind of content you're looking for, have the same content in all of these places, and see what works for you best. Their pro plan, where you'll have unlimited copy, is for $35 a month. So again, it's very lower than Jasper. One of the cons here is a bit lower content, as AI can be newer based on relevancy of content. And they also have a big pro is a free AI generator. If you go on their website, you can quickly do a free AI generating thing. So we can test it out quickly. Here, when you land on their website, you have something called resources where it says free AI tool. So they have all of these free options for you: TikTok caption generator, Instagram caption generator. So if you want to have a quick fun look, you can already start engaging with this website and have a really great time using it and understanding it.